YouTube video. In this video, we are going to check the new widget of the week called as connectivity widget. In this application or in this video, you will come to know how we will check if our application or if our mobile is connected to the internet. So I have created a normal button in the center called as check internet connection, and when we will press on this button, it will show if our phone and if our application is connected to network or not. So right now I'm connected to the Wi-Fi. I'll just turn off my Wi-Fi over here, and if I'll check now, no connection available. No connection available. If I just turn on my Wi-Fi again, I'll click check internet connection connected to Wi-Fi. So this is how you can remember the state of the internet connection of your phone before doing any network calls or before fetching any APIs. So without taking much time, let's get started. First, let us come to our connectivity package in our pub.dev. Over here, you can see connectivity 3.0.3. I will copy this over here, which I've already copied before. Let me minimize. Come to our pubspec.yaml. Let us add the connectivity package over here. I have also added the toast package, which will show a small toast at the bottom of the screen if you are connected to internet or not. You can just add the toast package from here. Okay, this is the toast package that we have added. Run pubspec.yaml file packages get. Okay, after adding the files to our pubspec.yaml file, just click packages get to get all the packages. I have created a main.dart file in which I have taken material app and I have created a home screen in which all our code of the home screen will be there. Coming to our home screen, I have taken a scaffold. I have created a elevated button which I have aligned to the center of the screen, and I have given a text check internet connection and on press function. So let me just hit play button. Okay, right now nothing is happening because the on press function is blank. Now let's get started with our connectivity check internet application. Okay, so coming back to our pub.dev over here, they have mentioned how to use the connectivity package. So first we have to import the connectivity package over here, and then we have to create this function. So I have already taken the connectivity.dart package and toast.dart package. Let's create a function. We will create a function check internet. In this function we will check for our connectivity. So we'll create a variable called as connectivity result is equal to connectivity dot check connectivity. Okay, so this is the function. We have initialized our connectivity result with check connectivity. Coming back, if you see, we have to use await keyword before using our connectivity. So I will just write await over here, and whenever we use await, we have to use async function over here. So I have taken async await. Now let us check for our connectivity result. So I will just start a if statement. If connectivity result is equal to connectivity result dot mobile, means if we are connected to a mobile network, then this function or this if statement will be called. Else if connectivity result is equal to connectivity result dot Wi-Fi, means if we are connected to Wi-Fi, this if statement will be called. Else if connectivity result is equal to connectivity result dot none. If we are not connected to any of the internet connection, then this if statement will be called. Okay, now let us create a toast over here. So toast dot show over here, I will write CO connected to mobile network. Okay, the context will be our context, and I will give a background color of green, so that will come to know we are connected to our mobile network. Then if you are connected to Wi-Fi, I'll just copy this toast over here and connect it to Wi-Fi network, and this will be blue. I'll copy the toast again, and if none, I will write check connection. Check your internet connection, and this will be red. Okay, and I'll call this check internet function in our on pressed. So over here, check internet. I'll just play it from start. Okay, restarted application. I'll just hit function connected to Wi-Fi network. This should be blue. Command S. Connected to Wi-Fi network. Now I'll just turn off the Wi-Fi. I'll just turn off the Wi-Fi. Now let us check your internet connection, or we can just change that to no connection available. No connection available. Now see, we are in the simulator, so I cannot check the mobile data, but yes, even that will be working. Let me turn off my Wi-Fi again, turn on my Wi-Fi again. So we are connected to Wi-Fi. I'll click on the button check internet connection. See, connected to Wi-Fi. Like, subscribe, comment, share this video. Make this video reach to people so that everyone can learn and understand, and keep fluttering. Bye bye. Take care.